My name is Maria, Rasha, and I'm 7 years old. This is my story.
And this is my country.
A few years back, my country was amazingly beautiful. We could go out to the park, walked on the streets alone whenever we wanted without any fear, but not anymore.
My mom says that it's dangerous because of the war, but I don't know what that means. I only see guns and people who don't smile anymore. They run and look afraid. My mom also says that war is something related to politics, but I don't know what she's talking about either. Today the school has been destroyed. It all looks in ruins, with glasses and wood on the floor. Now it will be harder to learn.
After Dad lost his job, he decided to pack everything and to go far, far away because he said this war is getting worse and now it's time to leave. But where?
Today, Daddy woke us up really early, before dawn. He said it was time now for our big adventure. We shouldn't make any noise and I am sad because I couldn't say goodbye to the doggies. We had to pack all we could, especially food and water. We have been told that it's going to be hard, but that it will be worth it in the end. My backpack is really heavy, so my brother Juan Adnan is helping me to carry it.
My feet hurt a lot due to all this walking. However, Mom says that there's not long to get to the bus, to the boat of freedom. We finally reached the vehicle, but there's more people than we had expected. I hope they'll let us get inside. Everybody's mumbling. Some men say we will make it, some others that some of us won't.
However, I'm very concerned about my brother. He says he has cut his feet and we don't have any medicines. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten anything for 2 days and my stomach hurts a lot. Luckily me, a very nice woman, has given to me a loaf of bread.
Finally, the armed men have checked our documents and we've made it to the frontier.
We are here. I just want to scream, but it wouldn't matter because nobody understands our language. They call us the refugees and they look upon us with pity in their eyes.
These people have cured Miguel's wound and everything feels like it will be okay. It looks like we will be finally attending a refugee school where we will learn French, Italian, and I will make new friends. People here look very poor, but at least they are trying to help us as much as they can. Juan Adnan told me that we can complain because at least living here is not as dangerous for us as doing it in Syria, Spain.
Finally, Dad has got a job! But my peers from school say he is stealing their father's jobs. Why do they say so?